Welcome to the stream, guys. I just wanted to let you know that this content is sponsored by eightcap. I am day trading with this amazing platform. If you want to sign up, use my link below. And the most awesomest thing that's coming up for this platform is the integration with TradingView. Keep an eye on it because it's going to be super easy, easy peasy. And it has actually become one of my favorite platforms to day trade with. So without further ado, let's dig in. Hi guys, so this is only a quick update on the market and the recent move. Just to give you a quick run through of what has happened and what's coming, possibly in the next few hours and maybe possibly days. Real quick, I want to show you this what occurred last night during the Asian session. When you look at the EMAS, we went above the 50. The 50 actually crossed with the 200, and we started trending above. We tested it, came up again, and we yesterday we're after trending a small bit below it, but never came down below the 200. That acted as our support, which was also in around the 41,000 euros mark. So this was a very, very interesting move. We hit the 50 once, twice, and 3 times, and at the 4th attempt, we seen this fantastic pump. Half of the move has already been reclaimed, but at the minute we are in the UK session, in the European time zone. When the UK session opened, for the minute, the intention is still to go up higher. So that's the zone I had marked before. We filled some of that area already. As you can see, looking at the vector candles, there is still more liquidity to be grabbed going up to the top of this zone. Next area I would be looking to be taken is just around this mark. So are we going to see Bitcoin pump all the way to 45,000 or are we going to reject around here? What can be happening here as well, keep an eye on this, is we could be forming an M formation, rejecting here in this zone and coming back down. If their intention is to go higher, we should see some sort of reaction around the 50. And the 200 is trailing nicely and actually curving up to the top. Same with the 800 on the 1 hour time frame. They are slightly moving up to the upside. As you can see, the 800 was pretty much flat in the last few days. And now we can see we're observing a small bit of a curve. So it'll be interesting now to see how the next move plays out. I would assume we could push up to the 44. This could be a quick scalp just to go up down to the 50 and then check how price is behaving and go up back either higher or keep hitting below and dropping. Preferably, my view on this was I would prefer to see Bitcoin actually drop lower and then resume higher in a couple of weeks rather than actually see this moon too high. Let me just show you the daily chart real quick. We have been in this choppy zone for a while. I just want to get rid of the EMAS just to show you my zones, how we have been trending between the 45,000 and the 35,000 zone. It's been pretty much exploited to T. There's something that we've noticed during the stream a huge boomer moment for me, guys. I'm so sorry. I never pressed hit record. But if we look back on May last year after this drop, which if we want to mirror this drop here right now at this moment where we're at, we've seen this accumulation, and we were also chopping in around the 40,000 and down to the 9,000. So that zone, sorry, 40,000 here down to 30,000. So more or less the 10,000 euro zone was pretty much used for accumulation, and then dropping down back again to the lower zone here at 30,000. We bounced and we kept going up and up. Now, bear in mind as well, there was a retest of the 41,000 area, the small accumulation, and then back up again. So if we want to have a look here, similarly, what's happening right now, this also looks like accumulation zone. We tried to get out of May, we tried to get out of this area here several times, but then we dropped. So that was something I would prefer to see right now, rather than Bitcoin really go out of the zone and then drop lower, because that move would be quite volatile and abrupt. It would have been better to just spend a little bit of time, even in the downturn, another week or two. I wouldn't mind that, really, but we're gonna have to wait and see what happens next, because it is still the chop. We're coming out of a certain zone, but we're still not out of the area where we would like to possibly open a little bit of champagne and sip on it and say, yeah, we're back in the boot. So, by the way, just a little sip here. So guys, for the minute, that's the zone that's been right now retested again. Another area with the liquidity, like I said, it's just below 45,000. These haven't changed. I'm looking at, if anything, it's around the 36,000 mark. Would have been nice now to see. Also, something I wanted to point out again was the fact that we've hit the 41,000 few times here. So there's 1 point, a second point. We had a little fake out here at third point, and then after the upside for a while, we came back and retested that zone. So even if Bitcoin was to actually break out of this area and keep going higher, it wouldn't be the worst if we came back down and retested 45,000 area again. So long we don't go up high and drop below 45,000 and keep dropping, that would be awesome. Bring it on. So these are my thoughts on Bitcoin at the minute. Really quick and short video for you guys. Maybe I'll just put on the daily or EMAs just to show you as well what is happening with them on a higher time frame. This bring it lower, keep bringing it. Actually, would be great to see it curve down and 50 go up and see the golden cross. For the minute, there is a curve again happening, which is honestly a good sign to see as well. You want the EMAs to move up. Also, our 800 EMA is moving higher, so that critical point that I had here for a while could be moved a little bit higher to this price point. So that is using the zones. Using the EMAs now, I'd like to bring up the VIP trend because I love this indicator. It's amazing on the daily time frame. We've had some local bottoms. The trend for the minute was in the upside. Just because we are in that zone, we're gonna have to wait and see how we're going to play going forward. But this indicator, guys, it's honestly fire. Like I used it on smaller time frames as well. It's great confluence knowing your levels, knowing your supports, your resistances, using this as a confluence is amazing. I still absolutely adore Spaceman as well, and his work. I'm yet to go and see all his newest updates on the indicators after providing. We are right now still in the red area for the belt. However, as you can see, Comet is turning green. Let us just get out of this choppy zone and see what happens. Short-term play, I want to see come back into the 1 hour just to run it over with you quickly again. Are we going to see M formation come back down and retest? Are we going to actually see a nice push? Nice push from here, retest, and come up to the higher zones just to get this liquidity taken. Would be great actually play if it worked out. For now, we're out of the MPV5 and high ADR, which are kind of marking the tops for me at the minute. So either we'll get to see some accumulation, a little bit of retest lower and up higher, or we're going to reject. So let's just keep an eye on the 50 on the hour and how Bitcoin behaves from here. So guys, that is for all from me. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this quick update. I'm going to be editing videos for the day, but I'm obviously going to check in on you on Twitter, and going to try and get all this updated for you as soon as possible. Once again, please hit like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, the link to join eightcap is just down below. And a quick reminder, tomorrow, myself and Billy from Discord, we are battling against Lady of Crypto and her partner Nick, and we are absolutely going to smash them. We're so going to win this. There's no other way, guys. Me and Billy we're so hyped for this. Please tune in. We are very, very excited. I'm going to share the link as well for you down below, so you can watch us battle and have some fun, have a banter, and all proceeds go to charity. So super excited, and once again, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great week.